Hi everyone, welcome to Create Me. Okay, so this is our Play-Doh. I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to make the color more vibrant. If you haven't checked out our last video on how to make a Play-Doh, feel free to check that out. Okay, so to make it more vibrant, you just add in more color gel. Just remember to fold it in. The color becomes more brighter after you put more, but just slowly put it just in case it's too bright for what you're after. So put it right in the middle and fold it in. Okay. Okay, see how the color is slowly coming out? Okay, so put it a little at a time just in case it gets too bright, because once it sets, it does go brighter. I'm just actually rubbing it in. You can fold it in as well if you're trying to keep everything nice and neat and not make a big mess everywhere. Then just use the same bowl as before. So that just went a little bit brighter. Still the pink though. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more color gel. Hopefully it can go a little bit more red. Be warned, the color will get stuck to your fingers and your hand, but because this food color is safe, and just a few wash and it will come out. Okay, there you go. Slowly getting there. Slowly becoming a darker pink. Okay, just make sure all the colours are mixed in well. Okay, there you go. So that's how you make it more vibrant. Okay, but like I said, once it sets in, it will go a little bit more darker than this color. Okay, we're happy with that color, so we're going to keep it like that. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.